Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys that how to start Shopify with no money, right? So a lot of people have this misconception that you need a lot of investment to start Shopify. Basically, the store is free, you can create products for free, you can sell them for free, and literally do everything without spending a single dime. So first of all, I would like you to introduce the 3 month Shopify offer that you can use using the link in the description below. So make sure to head over to that. Really simple. And once you get that done, you can see we have this section and we have our products area. We can add in here our products. Then we can also add our deliveries. So it is going to be costing you nothing. You can simply add delivery zones and everything, calculate rates. So yeah, so actually it is a misconception that you need big amount of investment or money to start Shopify. I hope this video was helpful. Start today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.